Hi everyone, welcome to Tiny Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to check for valid email addresses in a Google Sheet. Now, why would this be important? Well, one of the things that I find is that if you're collecting emails from, say, a Google form, and then you use that information from the Google Sheet that you create, it's really nice to validate those emails before you try to send out whatever it is that you collected those email addresses for. So in this case, you'll get less of those client couldn't be reached emails when they come back to you. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's open up a spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet. All right, now that I've got my spreadsheet open, what I want to go ahead and do is I want to use the is email feature in Google Sheet. So once I have my email addresses, I'm going to go ahead and hit the equal sign and then is email. Now, this will tell you whether or not the value is a valid email address. So I'm going to select that first cell, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now, sometimes the autofill option will come up if you do this, right? So is email, select that cell, you hit enter. Sometimes the autofill feature will come up, so it'll do the whole column for you. Sometimes it won't. If it doesn't come up for you, not a problem. Just go ahead and pull down. So pull that blue dot down the whole way. And what it'll do is it'll end up copying through your entire spreadsheet. So now you'll see that it copied the is email function throughout my entire thing. Now, what's really great about this is I already know these are some email addresses that I'm going to have to go back and take a look at. Whether there is there's a mistake in the actual email itself, or maybe this email is no longer valid, whatever it ends up being, any of the ones who show up as false are ones that I'm going to start trying to look through. These might be ones that I reach out to people individually about just to make sure that I can find their correct email and get them the information that I'm trying to send them. Hopefully you found this tiny tech tip helpful in being able to validate email addresses in a Google Sheet.